Assalamualaikum and good morning to lecturers. My name is Nur Syakira binti Muhammad Suhaimi, number matric 252737, and I will present about the individual assignment. So I have created a system where it is called Hutan.com, which is a platform for user to keep on track on his debts. This includes providing a report that can be printed out by the user. Hence, the system is designed in order to ease the user so that the tax transaction will be well managed. So in order to proceed to the registration, we press register. So this will be our register form or sign up form, where user need to create their account first before they need to log in order to access or use the system. So we key in the username that we have key in the sign up. Also, and press login, and yeah, we'll go directly to the dashboard of our system. So for the user profile section, you will provide the profile picture which the user have uploaded during the sign up session. So the choose file would enable the user to update the profile picture. So in the user profile, the information provided is the full name of the user, the username, the contact, and the password to update. So the information that can be edited by the user is only full name and contact, whereas username cannot be changed by the user. So the change password, if the user press update password, will pop up this form where user need to key in the old password in order for them to update a new password. So for example, if you want to edit the contact number, yeah, you can see contact number is updated. So we go to next. The next section would be the creditor and the debtor section. Okay, first for the dashboard section, the summary of the debtor creditor is the overall or the sum up, where the creditor and debtor section provide or the information provided inside the creditor and debtor section. So as we can see, this is the pie chart that shows the portion where we own the creditors, portion of percent in the form of percent and amount, and the debtors is just the same thing with the creditors. So for the creditor section, this is the list of the creditor that the system have. And this is the transaction form where we key in or update the transaction we made towards the creditor. And this will be the payment detail table where it provides the information of our payment and payment date to the creditor. Okay, for example, okay, we do it to the list, the debtor. The debtor section will be just the same thing with the creditor. For example, if you want to key in the new creditor, the new debtor name, for example, we key in the number of the debtor. Okay, the contact number is important because we need this information for us to deal with the creditor or the debtor. So after we have key in the debtor name, if we want to add on their transaction, for example, if AIS made debt to us or AIS made loan to us, then we key in the date of the loan and due date that we have set that the debtor need to pay to us. Okay, for example, AIS loan us 50 ringgit and the payment would be 0 because he did not pay us yet. So payment date will be nothing. Yeah, as we can see, the new transaction will be AIS, which is he made loan on 18 November and the due date for the loan is 30 November and amounted of 50 ringgit and the payment is 0. So if you want to update the payment made to from the debtor, so for example, if you said that Inshira pay her debt to us. So we say he pay 90 ringgit, for example, and on this date, okay, yeah, as we updated, it's updated 50. And if you want to see the balance of the debtor owed to us, we can press the payment table where it provides us the details of the payments made from the debtors to us, as you can see. And the total payment from debtor is 220 ringgit, and the balance debtor, the balance of debt that the debtor owed us is 430 ringgit. Next, okay, we go back to the dashboard function. Okay, if you press the number of creditor or amount outstanding, which is a summary of the creditor, as you can see, if you want to know the overdue creditors or the creditors that did not pay us yet, even though their due date is passed before, so we just press this and we can see that Azina and Arfahani, which own us 80 ringgit and 100 ringgit that did not pay us yet. We go back and it will just be the same thing to the debtors report. So, okay, the last function will be the report. So if the user want to print out or want to see the overall report for each transaction, for example, for the debtors report or creditors report. So for example, if the user want to print out the debtors report, okay, just can press those buttons and this will pop up. The debtors report, the list of the debtors, the list of debtors due in 1 week from now, the list of overdue debtors, and the amount outstanding of the debtors. And if the user want to print out all these details, they just can press the print button and they can just easily print out all of this report. So the creditors report will just be the same thing. And so this is all from me. And if we press the logout button, the message will pop out is that you have logout. So we have to click here if you want to go to the login page again, or we click here to go to the main page back. So that's all from me. Thank you.